In this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung ano yung steps and requirements to get a Philippine passport. Hi everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome to our channel where we talk about lessons and strategies supported by evidences that can help us live our best lives. Restrictions have been lowered at alam ko na marami sa inyo ang may balak na mag-vacation abroad or magtrabaho abroad. So if you're planning to go abroad either for work or vacation, then you must have a passport. So in this video, let me share to you how I got my Philippine passport and what are the requirements I prepared and what are the processes I took just to get my passport. But before that, shout out muna to Inday G Vlogs, Ma'am Yoli Jeremiah, Sir Ralph Rodriguez, Sir Bong Manubag, and Sir Jeff Torion 91. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. At sa gusto ng shoutout dyan, just comment down below at isa-shoutout kita sa next video. Let us now start with the requirements. Number one requirement is money or pera. Yes, kakailanganin nyo po ng money or pera to pay the fees. So what are the fees that we need to pay in applying a passport? First is the processing fee. Here we have two types of processing fee. First is the regular processing fee which costs 950 pesos plus 50 pesos convenience fee. So para saan itong 50 pesos? Yung 50 pesos, yan yung convenience fee pag nagbayad tayo through 7-Eleven, mga GCash, or ibang third-party platforms to pay for this fee. Regular processing fee is 12 working days in all consular office. Ibig sabihin, after mo mag-process ay makukuha mo na yung passport mo after 12 working days. Second type of processing fee is the special processing fee which costs 1,200 pesos plus 50 pesos convenience fee with a total of 1,250 pesos. For special processing naman, it will only take 6 to 7 working days to all consular offices. Ibig sabihin na kapag after mo nang ma-process, pwede mo na makuha ang iyong passport 6 to 7 days after. Second thing na paggagamitan natin ng pera is the delivery fee which cost 150 pesos. Kasi kapag kumuha ka ng passport, meron kang option na magbayad ng delivery fee kung saan i-deliver mismo ng LBC yung passport mo sa location na nilagay mo doon or sa address. However, optional ito. Pwede kang magbayad, pwede mo ipa-deliver, o kaya pwede na ikaw yung kukuha sa mismong EFA office. Third thing na paggagamitan natin ng pera is for the required documents. Siyempre, hindi kasi natin maiwasan na magbayad pag kukuha tayo ng mga documents kagaya ng sa TSA. Don't worry kasi lahat ng documents needed ay ibibigay ko sa inyo. Lastly, gagamitin din natin yung pera sa other expenses or other fees kagaya ng food and travel fees. Guys, hard reminder lang, lagi po tayong magdala ng extrang pera kung sakasakaling kakailanganin natin ito. Number 2 requirement is to bring at least 1 valid ID at 3 Xerox copies ng ID mo back to back. So again, hindi lang one side ng ID ang i-Xerox ha, back to back po sa isang bond paper. So ano yung size ng bond paper? Pwede namang short guys, wala namang problema. Pag sinabi natin na valid IDs, ito yung mga IDs na tinatanggap ni DFA. So ano ba yung mga valid IDs na tinatanggap ni DFA? Feel free to pause this video para makita nyo clearly kung ano-ano yung mga list na valid o valid IDs na tinatanggap ni DFA. So in my case, I used my driver's license. So kung anong meron ka na nandyan sa list, pwede mo yung gamitin at tatanggapin yan ni DFA. Guys, I highly suggest na magdala ng isang backup ID at 3 Xerox copies nung ID na yan back to back just in case na magkaroon ng trouble or hindi tatanggapin ni DFA yung naunang ID na binigay mo sa kanya. Number 3 requirement is original PSA live birth certificate. And, syempre, 3 copies ulit ng PSA live birth certificate mo. So, anong itsura niyan? Though hindi naman kakailanganin yung original talaga, hindi mo siya pinapasa kay DFA, but please just bring it just in case na kakailanganin mo siya. Ang PSA live birth certificate ay pwede lang natin makuha sa Philippine Statistics Authority or sa PSA. Ngunit, kapag meron ka ng nakatago sa bahay mo, pwede mo na yung gamitin. Number 4 requirement is a special requirement for married women only. So kapag ikaw ay babae at ikinasal ka na, you must also present your PSA marriage certificate. Again, uulitin ko, if you are not married o hindi ka ikinasal, you don't need this requirement. You can obtain this certificate again sa PSA, and I think meron na namang fees na babayaran dito. Number 5 requirement is the confirmed online appointment and application form. Guys, I suggest booking online appointment because it is the most convenient way at mas mabilis yung process niya. Now, let me show to you kung paano mag-book ng online appointment at kung ano yung step-by-step process nito. Okay guys, so ito yung step-by-step process kung paano mag-apply ng appointment online. Pwede itong sa laptop, desktop, or sa phone. Just follow the procedures, okay? So the first thing you have to do is pumunta sa www.passport.gov.ph/appointment. Okay? So, dadirect na yan dyan. And then, the next thing you have to do is you can check this one. You can start an individual or start group appointment. So, pili lang kayo dyan kung saan yung gagawin yung appointment. So, in my case, dahil ako lang yung kukuha, I'll start individual appointment. Okay, so, region. Ano ba yung region? Asia Pacific, Philippines. So, itong site, ito yung consular office kung saan ka kukuha ng passport. In my case, pumunta ako dito sa SM City, Manila, kaya ang pinili ko was DFA NCR West, which is SM City, Manila. So, automatic, mag-fill out yung yan, and contact number. Yung notice dito, basahin nyo na lang kung ano yung nakapaloob dito. Pero to sum it up, yung number 1 is yung pagbubook ng appointment is non-transferable at hindi siya pwedeng i-reschedule. Number 2, payments pwedeng online o kaya over the counter. And then yung number 3 is if ever merong urgent travel due to emergency and employment reasons, advise ka na use the pick-up release passport. Huwag mong ipa-deliver kung lilipat-lipat ka ng bahay or location. After that, you have to check, I confirm, in the next. So, ito na. Ito na yung pipili ka ng date and time. So, yung mga red, that is fully booked, and then yung mga green naman is available. So, for example, magbubook ako sa, let's say, December 20. Ayan. And then, pipili ka ng time. So, pili lang kayo, guys. Ako, that time, I chose 10 a.m. Okay? So, pili lang kayo. So, after mong mabasa itong warning, you can now check the agree. Pwede mo na siyang. Ang kailangan mo lang dito is itong may asterisk. And then, once makumpleto mo na lahat ng may asterisk, ang gagawin mo na ngayon is next. So, father's information. Lagay mo yung information ng tatay mo. Now, once na-fill up mo na yung last name, given name, middle name ng both father and mother mo, next ka na. So, take note na huwag mong lagyan ng space para hindi mag-invalid. Okay, ito. Note, kung naging Filipino citizen ka by election, naturalization, reacquisition, dalhin mo yung proof. Pero pag naging Filipino ka by birth, no need to bring anything. Application type, new. Kung bago, we have renewal and loss. Basis of Philippine citizenship, yan. Birth. Foreign passport holder, yes. Kung meron, no naman kung wala. Emergency contact person, importante yan. So just write their name and then their contact number. And after ma-fill out mo na lahat, next. Your complete address. So, lagay mo lang yung complete address mo. Okay, yung dito, sa current address, state lang pala. State, city, province, occupation. Kung tulad ko na student, yung ilalagay ko. Office number, hindi naman siya required. Office address, hindi naman siya required. So, yung may asterisk lang. So, pwede mo siyang ilibas blank. So, after mo makumpleto, next. So, ito na yung sinasabi ko na you must have to review at least 3 times just to make sure na tama yung mga nilalagay mo dito. Kasi kapag iba yung nilagay mo dito at nagkaroon ng mali at hindi tugma sa legitimate na dapat nakalagay dito, magkaka-trouble, napaka-hassle. So, make sure na tama yung nakalagay dito. So, once makompleto mo na siya, punta ka lang dito, tignan mo ulit your schedule appointment, your selected appointment schedule, yan, confirm mo lang, yan, verify mo lang. And then, please make sure na nabasa mo itong red na to. And then, check if nabasa, then confirm. So, ito na yung sinasabi kong mga processing type. So, pili ka either regular processing or special processing. I chose regular processing. Please select a payment method. So, ano ba yung sinala ko dito? Pwede ka mag-over the counter. Pwede ding mag-credit or debit. And dahil meron akong credit or debit, ginamit kong pambayad was my debit. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, pwede kayong magbayad ng delivery dun sa DFA mismo. Pwede din dito. Once meron ka ng bayad dito or nag-chinek mo to at nagbayad ka, all you have to do is let them know na nagbayad ka na, i-present mo lang yung receipt. And then, after that, pwede mo nang i-pay now. Fees must be settled within 24 hours upon receipt of the reference number. So, within the day, bayaran mo na agad para ma-settle na siya and then ma-confirm na yung appointment mo. Proceed to payment. So, once na-click mo na yung proceed payment, i-direct ka niya kung pumili ka dito ng debit or credit. Pwede mo din siyang bayaran via GCash, Paymaya, or yung QRPH. So, ganyan lang siya kadali. Number 6 requirement is the printed application form and email confirmation. So, saan ito makukuha? After mong mag-book ng online appointment and then mag-i-email sa'yo si DFA. Dun sa email na yun, nakapaloob yung application form and email confirmation. Yun yung ipiprint natin. Once you prepared everything, you just need to wait for the day of your appointment and then go to the consular office. By the way guys, before I give you my last important reminder, kung nakikita nyo, I'm using a lanyard. Nakalagay dito, Kolehiyo. Kolehiyo is a merch business and is giving a 15% discount or freebie sa mga bibili nito gamit ang promo code KEV. K-E-V. Just go to www.kolehiyo.com, pumili ka na ng items na gusto mo doon at i-check out mo na agad. Ilalagay ko sa description box below yung link ng email nila and then yung promo code ko which is KEV para magkaroon ka ng 15% discount or freebie. So the last important reminder when you apply for a passport is to be there 30 minutes before your appointed time. So hindi po talaga tinatanggap yung mga nauuna. So kung ano yung nilagay mo sa yung appointed time, yun po talaga yung oras na pwede ka lang makapasok sa DFA. Now, kapag appointed date mo na at nasa DFA ka na, the first thing you have to do is go to the security guard and then present your official receipt and also your scheduled day of appointment and time. Then, pumunta ka na dun sa information para magkaroon ng stamp yung mga documents na nire-require. So, tanong ka lang kung ano yung need mo i-present dun. Pagkatapos sa information, pupunta ka na ngayon sa processing. Dun na kukunin yung mga requirements na sinabi ko kanina, yung mga PSA, ID, yung lahat-lahat na yun. So, pag kinuha doon, pipirma ka din, and then after nun, pupunta ka na ngayon sa picture taking. Doon naman sa picture taking, ang gagawin mo lang doon is basically, pipicturean ka lang, yun na yung magiging official picture mo sa iyong passport. And lastly, yung delivery option. So, pagkatapos mo mapicturean, pwede kang mag-proceed sa delivery option para ipa-deliver yung passport. Pag hindi mo naman gusto na i-deliver yung passport mo, pwede naman na ikaw yung kumuha sa passport mo sa mismong DFA. There you have it guys. Please write down your questions in the comments section below at babasahin ko yan. I hope you learned something from this video and if you do, please share it to your friends para may idea na din sila kung paano kumuha ng passport. Also, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-like, mag-subscribe, and ring the notification bell to be updated on our next video. Thanks for watching and always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. So always wear that smile on your face. See you in our next video.